I wonder if everyone has noticed that nowadays, phones in the $200 or even $250 range are competing heavily on battery life. Recently released new phones generally have at least 6,000 mAh, and the Oppo K series is also putting effort into the battery life track. The brand new K13, that known as K12s in China, is equipped with a 7,000 mAh large battery. Can it let you say goodbye to battery anxiety? Can the upgrades in other aspects make it a good phone that everyone can afford? Let's take a look together below. Although just looking at the number 7,000 mAh can give you a full sense of security, actual battery life testing is still necessary. In daily scenarios like browsing, after a 1-hour test, the K13 consumed only 8% of the battery. Even playing Honor of Kings ranked matches for an hour, the battery consumption was only 12%. With this battery performance, you can use it with confidence even if you go out directly after finishing a game without charging. The battery durability of the K13 is also quite well done. Previously, most phone batteries only supported 4 years of health. This time, Oppo directly promises that even after 5 years of use, the battery health will still be above 80%, which can be considered a major highlight of the K13. For charging, the Oppo K13 is equipped with 80-watt wired flash charging. Tested from 1% battery, it charged to 23% in 10 minutes, 50% in 25 minutes, and finally reached 100% in 57 minutes. Although the charging performance is average, its battery life is strong enough. Plus, it can quickly recharge when the battery is low, so you can indeed say goodbye to battery anxiety. Besides these, the Oppo K13 also has self-developed black technologies like rapid charging, 9-layer protection, and extreme cold mode. Simply put, it provides corresponding charging optimization in any scenario, making the phone's battery more durable. With excellent battery life, a smooth user experience is also very necessary. The Oppo K13 is equipped with a 4th-generation Snapdragon 6 chip, which can balance high performance and low power consumption. Let's briefly test gaming. Although the K13 only supports 90 frames per second plus HD mode in Honor of Kings, during a 1-hour test, the game ran very smoothly throughout. Combined with the 5,700 square millimeter ultra-large Super VC cooling area, the phone body only felt slightly, not affecting the gaming experience at all. Also features a rear dual camera setup, plus powerful AI functions, supporting AI high-definition pixels, AI erase, AI motion to blur, AI reflection removal, and other functions. You can also take some good-looking photos with it. Finally, let's talk about the appearance. In terms of color, the Oppo K13 comes in prism black, rose purple, and star white. Personally, I prefer the star white color. It's simple and versatile and doesn't look too flashy. If you look closely, you'll find that the back cover of each color has a diamond grid-like fragment design. Rotating the phone reveals intersecting light and shadow effects, so it has recognizability. There's also the symmetrical camera module and a metal lens ring as embellished. The texture quality is still quite good. The front of the phone features a 6.67-inch OLED display that supports a 120Hz high refresh rate, which offers better display effects compared to LCD material. Tested manual maximum brightness is 623 nits. Local peak brightness reaches 1000 nits, and global peak brightness reaches 1200 nits. Indeed, you can see the screen clearly wherever you go. The touch experience has also been fully upgraded, supporting wet hand touch in glove mode, plus IP65 dust and water resistant. Whether it's windy and rainy or wearing gloves in winter, you can touch easily. Additionally, the K13 supports practical functions like multifunctional NFC and infrared remote control, giving the $200 priced K13 a convenient experience. After using it for a few days, I even doubt if Oppo actually knows how to make a $200 phone, implying it feels more premium. Such a large battery, such strong cooling, an OLED high refresh screen that supports wet hand touch, appearance and texture that exceed its class, smooth and easy to use right out of the box. ColorOS 15, enhanced with AI function. Perhaps this is the affordable good phone we need that everyone can buy. That's all the content for this video. If it was helpful to you, feel free to give it a like, follow. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.